How to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. This is super useful for folks who want to keep their personal and professional lives separate, or maybe you have a side hustle you need a dedicated number for. So to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone, first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and a menu will pop up. Tap Settings in the pop-up menu to access your profile and settings. Within your settings, tap on Account. Now at the bottom, tap on Add Account. A window will pop up at the bottom. Tap on Add Account to begin the second account setup process. Tap on Agree and Continue. Alright, here's where the second phone number comes in. Enter the phone number you want to use for your new account. Tap on Next, then tap Yes in the pop-up. Tap on Verify another way, then send SMS to receive a verification code via SMS, so make sure you have access to that phone. Enter the verification code you received. Once the verification is complete, you'll be greeted by your brand new WhatsApp account. Set up your profile information, and you're ready to roll. You've successfully added new account to your WhatsApp. Now to switch between your accounts, it's easy. Just tap on the three dots in the top right corner. You will notice that a new option has been added named Switch Accounts. Tap on that, and it will switch you between your accounts. Congratulations! Now you can use two WhatsApp accounts on your phone. And this is how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. If you have any questions about using two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.